With 13 computers and 13 students in a rented tenement in Mandaluyong in 1980, the AMA education system has now grown into the biggest network of campuses in Asia. At present, it has more than 100 branches in the Philippines and abroad. It has an annual student population of 150,000, and it has produced almost 200,000 highly competent computer professionals. The AMAES started as an institute of computer studies. At the time, computers were expensive and microprocessors were very new. But its founder, Dr. Amable Aguiluz, saw a vision of the Philippines as the world's premier source of manpower through computer education. Dr. Aguiluz vigorously pursued his plan of setting up a center of computer learning in every corner of the Philippines. A year later, a positive response from computer enthusiasts encouraged the institute to offer a 4-year course in computer science, the first in the Philippines then, and was thus renamed AMA Computer College. In 1983, the institute grew into a network of colleges in Metro Manila. By 1989, the AMAES began its provincial expansion by putting up a college campus in Cebu. Currently, there are 40 AMA colleges scattered all over the Philippines. Meanwhile, the advent of AMA Computer Learning Center in 1986, AMA International Institute of Technology or AIIT in 1996, and ABE International College of Business and Economic in 1999, filled the need for quality training and education for Filipino youth who do not have the financial capability to clinch a 4 or 5-year degree. In 1996, the AMAES established the AMA Science School aimed at providing children with an early exposure to science and math concepts through the Great Exploration in Math and Science, or GEMS, a curriculum developed by the Lawrence Hall of Science of the University of California of Berkeley. In 1999, AMA Computer College made another breakthrough. It became the first computer school to be awarded the prestigious ISO 90001 certification. This certification further attests to the world-class quality education that AMA offers. Another highlight in AMA education system's history is the conferment of university status to AMA Computer College in Quezon City. Now named AMA Computer University, it is regarded as the pioneer and largest IT university in Asia. As it grows in leaps and bounds, AMAES remains committed to its unending vision to become the leader and dominant provider of relevant and globally recognized education and training in information and communication technology.
Nandito kami ngayon para mag-interview sa mga estudyante at alamin kung anong natutunan nila sa AMA Caloocan Campus. Tara na! Umpisahan natin kay ate. Hello! Pwede ba rin naman interview kahit sa talita? Anong pangalan? Jasmine po. Nandito lang kami para interview ka about lang sa learning mo sa AMA Caloocan. Ano po yun? Just, since na pumasok ka dito sa AMA Caloocan, ano yung natutunan mo? Ano yung nababago mo sa sarili?
Actually, 2 years pa lang ako dito sa AMA. Graduate ako ng 2 years sa ECLC. So, ladder race kasi siya. So, hindi ko pinagpatuloy sa AMA kasi marami nagsasabi the best daw talaga yung
Talaga, the best talaga ang aman.
first degree. So, ayun, dati parang hindi ako marunong mag-approach sa iba. Kaya kung ano yung mga kasama ko, yun lang talaga yung friends ko.
Talaga.
Ngayon, nung pumasok ako dito, parang natutunan na ako mag-join sa iba. Sa ibang magka-course, hindi lang sa course ko na sa mga IT, sa mga engineering. Parang natutunan ako makipag-implement sa kanila.
Ang galing naman. So, dito mo natutunan na makipag-usap ka sa mga friends.
Kasi iba rin dito, parang ang friendly ng mga tao dito, kahit yung mga pro, mga estudyante.
So, ang ibig sabihin ngayon, parang lahat ng mga empleyado dito sa Amang napaka-friendly nila, pati yung mga estudyante.
Nakakatuwa.
Thank you, Josh. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Pwede kayo makita. Ma-interview. Ako nga pala si Ate Maris. May tanong ko lang, since pumasok kayo dito sa AMA, ano yung the best na natutunan?
Dito. Program.
So, ang course ko pala is computer science.
IT.
IT. So, the best yung natutunan mo. Ay, sa'yo nga pala ate. Ano nga yung pangalan mo?
Apple.
Apple. Ayun, Apple. Since pumasok ka dito sa AMA, ano yung natutunan mo at bakit dito ka nag-enroll sa AMA?
Natutunan ko is yung accounting kasi yun yung major ko na course. Gusto ko kasi pagka nag-college ako, yun din yung kukunin kong course. Tsaka kaya ako dito pumasok kasi ito yung mas malapit sa bahay ko.
Mas malapit sa bahay mo. Kaya dito ka nag-enroll sa AMA Kaloocan. So, di ba ang senior high at college may pagkakaiba yun? Ano yung nagiging pag-adjust mo doon para sa environment na makikisama ka sa mga kaklase mo? Na ano yung ano yung masasabi mo sa pinagkaiba doon sa mga about sa attitude ng college at senior high?
About sa attitude kasi, yung senior high, medyo yung pag-iisip nila is parang high school pa lang. Kaiba dun sa college. Kasi yung college talaga parang focus sila dun sa mga ginagawa nila.
So, na-adjust mo naman yung mga attitude sa mga kaklase.
Oo.
So, nakikisabay ka na.
Ah.
Salamat, Apo.
Thank you.
Ano, Bigyan, pwede bang ito about lang ito sa AMA lahat. As a student of AMA, what are your expectations to them and their expectations to you?
Siyempre, ang na-expect ko dito sa makatapos ako at magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. Ganun din yung sa akin, nakakalap ako ng magandang trabaho.
Expect ko dito
Ilan naman yung expectations ko dito?
Ayun lang, yun lang yun
Yun lang.
lahat. Ano ba, Macho, itatanong ko lang sa'yo, in one word, how can you describe AMA? Why did you choose AMA?
How can I describe? I think, in one word, this is an excellent school.
Nice. Excellent school.
Yeah.
Why did you choose?
Why did I choose AMA? Kasi ito yung pinaka-top rating na school ng ITs.
Tama. Thank you.
Ito yung
Did you adjust did you adjust your habit upon entering the AMA? What are those?
Yes?
Nag-a-adjust ka ba nung pumasok ka dito sa AMA? Ano yung ina-adjust mo na sa mga estudyante? So, ano naman yung mga bagay na yun na na-adjust mo dito? Halimbawa sa attitude ng mga classmates mo, ganyan.
Yung
Or sa mga teachers, sa mga instructor.
in-adjust ko nung pumasok ko dito sa AMA, naging lalo akong
Halimbawa sa attitude mo, ay kailangan kong mag-control kasi ganyan.
Wala lang.
Wala naman. So, anong masasabi mo sa EMA since na pumasok ka dito sa Caloocan?
Dami naman ako natutunan, kaso sa dami ko malaman.
Salamat. Yun lang.
You put us in mold, dear alma mater. You hold the future in this race against time. Through the years in your folds, we nurture our dreams. Our promise to you will toast us dear alma mater. Given us heart for the battles of life and the conquest of our dreams. Oh dear Amma, you have sharpened our minds. We will triumph by the toast is for you. The light up ahead is victory foreseen. With noble desires we behold its gleam. Our motherland lays her hopes in you. The future that we hope looks almost like dear alma mater, you have given us arms for the battles of life and the conquest of our dreams. Oh dear alma, you have sharpened our minds. We will triumph by which the toast is for you.